cos 93, 63 and 93. What can we have here? We can bring the special angle 30. 30 plus 63 will give us 93. Okay, right. So this is like cos 30 degrees plus 63 degrees. Right. This is cos 93 degrees. Then we use our special angles. This is equal to cos 30 degrees, cos 63 degrees, then minus sine 30 degrees and sine 63 degrees. Right, cos 30 degrees is root 3 over 2. Then this is square root of 1 minus m squared minus 1 over 2. Then sine 63, that is m. Okay, all right. We can simplify this. So this is like over 1. And then root 3, remember root a times root b is equal to root ab. So we can multiply this 3 and the 1 minus m squared. So what do we get? 3 minus 3m squared over 2 minus m over 2. Now we have same denominators. We can say this is equal to square root of 3 minus 3m squared minus m, all this over 2. Okay, right. Now